So today is our periodical exam, 23 and 24. And I'm still waiting, no, doon sa aming schedule, sa aking schedule kasi 'di ba by schedule magbabantay ka din sa mga classroom. So while I'm waiting, I came across a post regarding teacher Rachel and her husband. Yung husband niya is like a Broadway director pero he gave it up para suportahan si teacher Rachel. So parang we only see Teacher Rachel as a very successful YouTube personality na tinuturuan niya yung mga bata tungkol sa pagbabasa, about the ABC and whatnot. And then I realized na we wanted to be successful on some point in our lives na kasi nakita natin over the internet na dapat ganyan din ako, dapat mag-succeed din ako sa ganyan. And then you try to copy them. I tried to copy them. I tried to be like them. But then, I realized na I can't be them, but I can be me. So, in the desire of wearing the hats that doesn't belong to me, nakakalimutan ko na meron nga pala akong sariling gift and talent na dapat hinuhong at pinag pina-perfect or ini-improve. 'Di ba?